This old guy DIY video has to do with the continued evolution of an aftermarket stereo installer. So a buddy of mine said, hey, well, you have that dash out, let's check out what it takes to put a stereo in there. So he has an aftermarket stereo here. This is a double-din Pioneer that can be hooked up with a backup camera and all kinds of fancy stuff. So over the years, when he's done these jobs, he ends up cutting this metal bracket back here. He has to take some off the shelf. So we took that thing, since the dash is gone, and stuffed it in there, and it looks like the interference is down here on the bottom. So what we're going to do right now is take a Dremel tool. We've used all kinds of tools over the years, but right now I'm going to take this Dremel and just cut off this rivet and that rivet up there, and then I removed 4 7mm screws. Sorry, one's up here, one down there, one over here, and the fourth one up in the top position. So then we're just going to pull this whole little plastic fiber box out. So basically he can make a stereo sandwich outside of the vehicle. We won't take out any more material than we have to, and we'll actually be able to see everything, so it's going to be kind of interesting. So right now I'm going to take the Dremel, cut those rivets off. This is what the bracket looks like after the initial modifications. So I took the grinder and cut here, cut that side, and then we cut horizontally. And these zip ties are the result of my being impatient. After I cut the top of the rivet off, I should have just taken a punch and hit it with a hammer, then this would have come out nicely. There was just a little bit of rivet left there, and I grabbed both sides and pulled, and thereby breaking this plastic piece. But the zip tie is my friend. Structurally it doesn't matter. It's all going to be great. Well, we put the thing in there, and we have adequate clearance. Directionally everything is lining up. So when I asked him if we needed to cut all this stuff out on the bottom, he said we're going to have a heck of a pile of wires in there, so that's probably all good. But right now we think we're doing what we needed to do.